the Installer Show, and we're here with Mark from Fluke, and he is going to talk us through the Fluke II Acoustic cameras. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Could you take us through the II acoustic camera range?
Okay, certainly. So we have 3 cameras in the range. Currently we have the 500, the 905 and the II915. This here is our top end model. It's our II915. The benefits of the II915 is it has more features than you'd expect because the series builds up. So the entry level, the II500, is purely about leak detection, finding a leak and being able to locate where it is and visualize it and capture that so you can obviously produce a report. Once we move beyond that and we move to the 905, we want to add some quantification to it. Quantification is important because people not only want to know where the leak is, but they want to be able to value it and cost it and see how big that is and what the savings potentially are that can be made once they've identified the leak and fix it. And then the last model that we have is this model here, which is the II915. This is our top model, and it has the same features and functionalities of all the others, as the acoustic microphone on the front. Nice hand, it's a portable unit. This is where the neck strap will be attached. And if I just rotate the unit round, very simple to use. We have on-off button like we have on all the models. We have a capture button here, and then we have the ability to visually see the information on a screen. This one here is a typical one of what we capture the information. So, severity scale, we have a leak rate, we have a cost estimation, we have the sound level, and we have a relative distance to where that leak takes place. But the whole essence of this is the pure ability to locate and visually see where that leak is coming from straight away. So that's it. So enhanced on these models, just to quickly give you an idea of the functionality, you can see here on this screen here that there's multiple different modes. As I said, on the 500 we have an image and video capture. Then we have the leak queue, which is what I've identified here and I've just shown. And then on the II915 we have additional features. PDQ, which stands for partial discharge quantification, which is used obviously to work heavily in the utility industry and how to look for potential corona discharge and internal degradation.
And what does it quantify exactly?
It's calculating the pulse count of corona and PD on the sites of correct where you're working in the utility sector. It's able to locate them and give that, so you can use it as a jump off point for see if it's degrading over time and breaking down in partial discharge. We have an additional mode called MechQ. MechQ is very good at the moment as well and being used because we're getting more and more distribution centres. We even see it in supermarkets now. They're all packing our food and sending them out directly. MechQ is able to look at like roller bearings and journals that take along. As they have specific sound frequencies, they can be precursor to failures. So the MechQ is used a lot in that industry. And then the last one, which is one of our newest ones, is the one down the bottom here called beacon mode. Beacon mode is used in conjunction with our sound beacon. And what this sound beacon does, it induces a specific frequency, and the unit is able to detect that and help to isolate it. This can be placed inside devices, have hosing connected to things, and we can even unscrew the cap and make it as a wider symbol as well. And this is able to locate that as well. So it's perfect for picking up confined leaks or leaks within dedicated systems. So that would go into a system and then you can introduce it. So in theory on this you could attach some hose or some coupling. So again it can induce the sound through there, so you can see if there's any breaks along there. Same with hosing and cabling. Or you can actually physically insert it in, and we can remove this cap. And once it sits in there, it's got a wider field of view, and the sound can then permutate around inside vessels and containers. We've worked with many boiler companies as well, because they need to look to see if there's any integral breaks and seals of the gas seals that they have. We've done it with car manufacturers, putting this inside as part of a watertight test. So again, it's got quite a lot of versatile applications using this beacon mode with our acoustic imager.
Oh, it's really interesting. So if considering the II series, is there a feature on there that people wouldn't expect but they actually come to really rely on?
Sure. Okay. Well, overall, I would say the whole acoustic way of which we do this is the real benefit nowadays. The way it used to be delivered and the way people used to operate this was very unidirectional with headphones and the skill set. This is purely now down to the speed of operation and getting a visual image represented on screen. So it's the time saving, and people don't appreciate how much and how quickly they can survey in a short space of time and identify those leaks so efficiently. And our units, they constantly progress. We're constantly adding those new innovative features to widen it away from just leak quantification, looking at mechanical failures, looking at partial discharge, and obviously now even looking at tightness testing and compressings.
So you mentioned that you constantly update. So is there a way to update software?
Sure. The unit itself could hook up directly to our free of charge software, and that will detect whether there's an upgrade available. And you can also go to the Fluke website, and that keeps regular updates. It's plain and simple. It's a USB-C port on the bottom of the unit, just hard connection, and do a nice simple step forward and upgrade of the unit.
So it's a long-term investment, this.
100%. Money to be saved.
Yeah. And so, as a final question, what is the main message you would like people to take away from our talk today?
Okay, well, the main thing I would probably say is that it's ease of use, it's effective. The units, again, are very pricely competitive as well, especially from yourselves. So again, there's a lot of benefits there. It's time saving and it's very easy to use. There's very little training that's needed to be taken on board with this. And if somebody is looking as a considered purchase, we have an online platform where they can actually have a visual tour using this unit and help them to identify how to use this as well. So again, nice and simple, straightforward for people.
Great, thank you.
No problem at all, thank you.
And remember, you can buy the Fluke II Series acoustic cameras from tester.co.uk.